I was recently cleaning up some of my excess digi prints on my desk, and I looked over and saw this sheet from the Gentleman Tailor collection, and as soon as I saw it I was drawn to the design of those little one-page wonders, or little zines that some people call them, which is just basically a tiny book that is made from one sheet of paper, and I thought these would make a perfect background for that project. So I went ahead and created this little one here, and I just used elements from the Vintage Grungy Elements kit. I just thought it came out so cute. That's actually a little pocket there. And it was pretty quick to put together. So I thought I would make one with you today. So I've just grabbed this page from the kit, and I've basically cut all the way around the edge, cut the white edges off, and then I've just cut a slit along here between these two lines, and that's given me this sort of thing. So you can see here the slit that I've got there. Now this page I think lends itself really well to being one of these one-page wonders. These elements in the middle will be upside down on some pages, but I don't even think that that particularly matters for this project. So once you have cut out your edge and put the slice through the middle there, you basically just need to fold on all of the lines. So I've already folded mine, but you fold it in half and then open it up, fold in half again, and then I fold these pieces in towards my middle crease. And that basically creases all the lines for me. And then I go back and turn everything inside out and fold again, just so I get nice crisp creases on those lines. So once you've done all of your folding and cutting, it's just a matter of pinching these sides together and then pushing them towards the middle. The book will almost form itself, but you're basically just folding these two edges together, and that will give you the pages for your book. Because you're folding many sheets of paper, you'll get little buckles and the edges won't line up perfectly anymore. So you can either trim it towards the end, or to get mine as accurate as possible, I like to glue my edges first. So I've just got some art glitter glue here, and I'm just going to glue these two pages on the ends, and I'm just going to fold them over and as accurately as possible line up the edges. Then I'll just give those a good press down. So I really should have gone ahead first and inked all around the edges on the inside, but I forgot to do that, so I'm going to go ahead and try and ink some of those edges now. So by inking those edges, it just helps hide any white bits that might peek through after you've folded everything and put it together. So my ends are pretty well glued now, so I'm just going to fold it back in on itself and then decide which pages I want to be my front page. I think we'll go that way. And then I basically just come back in with my bone folder and re-crease some of those edges. So that just helps it sit a bit flatter. So now I'm going to go in with some ink and ink everything on the edges. Okay, so I've inked all my pages and I think I'm ready to start decorating. So I've gone ahead and cut out a bunch of stuff from those vintage grunge elements, and I've just kept them separated in their colours. And I've got a couple of photos here. And I'm just going to decorate each page with a different colour like I've done here. So I've just sort of stuck with teals on this one, some of the greeny browns, pink and blue. So I'll just do a similar thing for this one. I've got some cheesecloth here that I have tea or coffee dyed, and I might actually just add some ink to it as well to make it a little bit darker in places. There we go. I've completed my little zine or my little booklet here. Now sometimes, because I use quite a bit of cheesecloth when I'm gluing it down, and I like to go back in afterwards and give it a bit of a trim if it seems a bit much in some places. So let's have a flick through. Now I've also gone and added some of my vintage tape, which I'm loving having on my desk in my dispenser. So that's our first page and our second page, our third page and our last page there. So cute. So really fun, quick little project to put together. I will leave a link in the description box below to the kits that I have used today, but of course you don't need to use a kit. You can use anything you like. Thanks so much for joining me today. I'll see you again next time. Bye.